Welcome to day 13 of our 365-day English challenge. Today, we're diving into essential office vocabulary that will help you sound more professional and confident at work. Whether you're in meetings, writing emails, or chatting with colleagues, these words will be super useful. Agenda, a list of things to be discussed in a meeting. Deadline, the final date by which a task must be completed. Conference call, a phone or video meeting with multiple participants. Minutes, a written record of what was discussed in a meeting. Brainstorming, a session where ideas are freely shared and discussed. Colleague, a person you work with in an office. Overtime, extra hours worked beyond the regular schedule. Reschedule, to change the time or date of a meeting event. Promotion, an advancement to a higher position in a company. Salary, the fixed payment received for working in an office. Assignment, a specific task or project given to an employee. Presentation, a formal display of information in front of an audience. Productivity, the amount of work completed efficiently. Supervision, the act of managing or overseeing employees. Workload, the amount of work assigned to an employee. Performance review, an evaluation of an employee's work. Networking, building relationships with people in your industry. Feedback, comments or suggestions to improve work performance. Job description, a detailed explanation of a position's duties. Remote work, working from a location outside the office. Cubicle, a small workspace within an office. Workspace, the area where an employee works. Department, a division of a company. Example, HR. Marketing, supervisor, a person who manages employees' work. Intern, a trainee gaining work experience. Executive, a high-level manager in a company. HR, human resources, the department handling employee management. Boardroom, a room where important meetings take place. CEO, chief executive officer, the highest-ranking person in a company. Colleagues, people who work in the same office. Conference room, a room used for team meetings. Discussion, talking about ideas and solutions. Negotiation, a conversation to reach an agreement. Proposal, a formal idea or plan for approval. Presentation, explaining ideas with visuals in a meeting. Report, a written document with work-related updates. Memo, a short office communication note. Email, a digital message used for work communication. Telecommuting, working from home or remotely. Draft, a rough version of a document. Task, a piece of work assigned to someone. Assignment, a job or duty given to an employee. Multitasking, handling multiple tasks at the same time. Delegation, assigning tasks to others. Workload, the amount of work assigned to an employee. Target, a specific goal to achieve. Efficiency, doing work in a timely and productive manner. Time management, organizing time effectively to complete work. Deadline, the last date to complete a task. KPI, key performance indicator, a measure of success in a job. Teamwork, working together to achieve a goal. Leadership, the ability to guide and inspire a team. Motivation, the drive to complete tasks efficiently. Work ethic, a person's attitude toward their job. Workplace environment, the atmosphere and culture in an office. Job satisfaction, how happy an employee feels at work. Professionalism, acting in a respectful and skilled manner. End of the day, usually refers to the time when the office or business closes. Example, please submit the report by EOD. Promotion, moving up to a higher job position. Resignation, leaving a job voluntarily. Which office vocabulary word do you use the most in your daily work? Or is there a new word you learned today? Comment below. And let's learn together. See you tomorrow for day 14.